Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you that how you can create this amazing, unbelievable animation of PowerPoint. So let's get straight into it. First of all, we have to make a blank layout. Now let's insert our background. Everything will be in the description. You can download everything from there. Drag it to the layout. Make sure you remove this alternative text. Now let's insert our text box. I'll write the warrior. Select the text. Now change the style to, I have downloaded this style, Mandalore. I will choose its size about 24. Make sure you lock the background so it does not disturb you. Like this, fit it here. Now select this text and duplicate it with the help of Ctrl D. Now edit this text. I will write warrior with the same font. I will increase its size 48, like this. Now let's insert our PowerPoint logo. Make it smaller. Everything will be in the description if you want these things, font and everything. Make it fit right here. Now go to picture format, picture effects, and let's add some shadow. Inner shadow I will choose bottom, and format picture panel. Let's add some glow. Select white glow and size of about, I will choose 3 or 2. Perfect. Now let's fit the text into the center like this. Perfect. Let me bring it down. Okay, perfect. I will add some line here. Go to insert. Make sure to select the background. Go to shapes and I will select this line shape and hold shift and draw the line like this. Perfect. Select the line and increase its width about 3. Make sure to change the color black. Perfect. Let's fit it in the center like this. Okay, perfect. Let's check. Let me check it if it is in the center. Yes, perfect. Now select the background and hit Ctrl A to select everything and Ctrl X. Now go to view and click slide master and paste it here with the help of Ctrl V. Perfect. Now close the master view and we are back here again. Now let's add our 3D model. Everything will be in the description. You can get it from there. As you can see, it is loading. Here is our 3D model. Let me move this helmet to see that it does not disturb the text or anything. Okay, let me reset it. Okay, great. Now make sure it is in the center. Okay, perfect. Now select the 3D model, this helmet, and go to insert and action. Go to Mouseover and select hyperlink to, and from here select first slide, and now press OK. Perfect. Okay, now select the first slide and duplicate it 4 times, so it will be 5 slides total. With the help of Ctrl D, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, 5 slides. Now go to the second slide. Don't do anything with the first slide. Go to the second slide and now change the position of the helmet to up. Like this. Moving in this direction, upwards, left. Now select the third slide and move it down like here. Perfect. Now go to the fourth, move it upwards like this. Yes, perfect. Now the last one, move it down. Perfect. Now hold shift, select this slide, and now select the first slide, go to transitions and select morph. Perfect. Now select the duration, 3 seconds. And now let's check it. Go to slideshow and hit from beginning. As you can see, if I click here, it will move there. Now I will click again here on the left. If I click again, it moves to the other side, and again down. So now what we have to do is, without even clicking, if I bring my mouse here, it should move here without even clicking. It should follow my mouse. Press escape, and now let's do it. Now first of all, what you have to do is go to view and check this ruler and guides. Perfect. Master, as you can see, there is also ruler and the guides, everything. Now we will do everything here. Now go to the insert and insert a shape, this box shape, rectangular shape. Now insert it right here. Perfect. Now select it and increase its transparency. Perfect. Now select this shape and hit Ctrl D to duplicate it and place it here. Place it on the other sides. Ctrl D again. Place it like this. Perfect. Now select this rectangular box, go to insert and click actions, Now I want the helmet to move on this direction, that's why I'm choosing this shape. Now go to mouse over and select hyperlink and select this slide and this panel will appear. Now as I said, I want to move my helmet to this side, so this slide is perfect, slide it is moving on this side, and select OK. Now select this box, do the same, go to insert, action, mouse over, hyperlink, slide, and now the helmet should be on this slide 3. Perfect. OK, press OK. On this box, insert, action, hyperlink, slide 4. Yes, perfect. Press OK. Now this box, insert, actions, mouse over, hyperlink, slide 5. Yes, perfect. Now hold shift and select all these boxes. Go here and select no fill and make sure you also select no outline. And now go to the slide master and close master view. As you can see, we are back. Now hold shift and select the last slide. It will select all the slides. Now go to layout and select this blank. As you can see on the master slide, it will copy everything from that. Select it. Now done and done. Now let's check it. So let's try it. Perfect. Now this is it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and it takes a lot of efforts to make the tutorials, so and thanks for watching.